Tigernix Water Treatment Solution. Tigernix Water Treatment Solution uses Industry 4.0 tools such as AI, IoT, GIS, digital twin, and predictive analytics to deliver a 360-degree intelligent view. With Tigernix software, every element is screened, visualized, and optimized through one smart dashboard. You can monitor corrosion, seal integrity, and compressor balance with a single click. It harnesses contamination detectors to instantly flag microbial or chemical anomalies across all treatment stages. Our digital twin technology replicates the full network, allowing you to test strategies, visualize fluid dynamics, and maintain assets without interrupting live operations. Tigernix uses financial models for capital planning, procurement, and maintenance schedules that maximize ROI and system reliability. Connect with Tigernix today to meet our digital transformation consultants by emailing us at info@tigernix.com or dialing +656 760 6647. Tigernix Water Treatment Solution, an intelligent magnifying glass for water operations.